Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a waiting list on Shopify. This feature is incredibly useful when products go out of stock, allowing customers to sign up for notifications when items become available, again, helping you capture potential sales you might otherwise lose. First, head to your browser and type in shopify.com. Once there, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can manage your entire store. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open up all the configuration options for your store, from payments to shipping and everything in between. Within the Settings menu on the left side, find and click on Apps. This section manages all the applications you've installed or can install on your store. Once you're there, click on Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find thousands of apps designed to enhance your store's functionality. Now, in the search bar at the top of the App Store, type in Restock Alert and Waiting List. When the app appears in the results, go ahead and click on it. This particular app is designed to help you manage customer interest in out-of-stock products. You'll see an Install button on the app's page. Click it, and Shopify will redirect you to a new tab. Here, the app will request access to some of your personal and store data, which is standard procedure for app installations. Click Install again to confirm and proceed with the installation. At this point, you'll need to wait a moment while the installation completes. Sometimes this process can take a bit of time, so just be patient as Shopify sets everything up in the background. Once the installation finishes, you'll see an option to create a waitlist form. Click on this to begin customizing how your waiting list will look and function on your store. Now comes the fun part where you can personalize your waiting list to match your brand. You can edit the message that customers see, the label title, placeholder text, the text that appears on the sign up button, and even the warning message for required fields. Additionally, you can customize the color scheme to ensure it fits seamlessly with your store's design. After you finish customizing these elements, click on Visibility. This is where you'll determine which products will have the waiting list feature enabled. You'll now see several options to choose from, including all products, specific variants, or specific collections. Each option gives you different levels of control over where the waiting list appears. For this example, let's select specific products. This allows you to handpick exactly which items should have the waiting list feature. Click on your chosen product and then click Select to confirm. Now, at the top of the page, click Save to lock in all your settings and preferences. This ensures that your waiting list configuration is properly stored. Head back to the main app dashboard. You might notice an error message that says, "Please do not forget to enable the app via your theme editor." This is an important step that many people miss. Click the Enable button that appears with this message. Clicking Enable will redirect you to Shopify's theme editor. Give it a moment to load completely, as the theme editor needs to pull up all your store's design elements. Once the theme editor loads, look on the left side of the screen for the App Embed icon. Click on it to see all the apps that can be embedded in your theme. Find the toggle button next to Vacation and Notify Embed App and switch it on. This activates the waiting list functionality on your actual storefront. Finally, click the Save button in the upper right corner to apply all these changes to your live theme. And that's it, you've successfully set up a waiting list on your Shopify store. Now, when products go out of stock, customers can easily sign up to be notified when they're back in stock, helping you maintain customer interest and boost future sales. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.